If AI is not citing your content, the problem may not be your expertise, it may be your file format. So, a lot of companies are publishing solid content that humans can read just fine, but AI systems can't reliably fetch it, structure it, ground it, or tie it back to one clear source. And when that happens, the model either skips you or cites someone else or fills in the blanks. So, in this video, I want to break down which type of files that LLMs actually prefer for citations, and more importantly, how to package your content so AI can trust it fast. Hi, I'm Kevin Roy of Green Banana SEO, and search is changing fast, and people aren't clicking the 10 blue links first. They're getting an answer from AI. So the new goal isn't just to rank, it's to become the source that AI cites. And on this channel, I'm going to show you the exact no BS, no buzzword marketing joint that strings you along, wait for an answer that never comes. I'm going to show you the systems that we use here to earn visibility in Google AI overviews, AI mode, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and more. We cover content architecture to empty signals, schema, measurement, and anything else that works. So these videos are built as a framework so that you can copy and leave with a plan, not just ideas. Now, here's the big idea. LLMs don't just prefer one magical file type, they prefer clean citation package. And that package usually looks like this: a clean HTML page, a readable JSON version of the same content, a durable PDF mirror, and if you have video or audio or a transcript in the right media schema, that's the real play. That's why I'm doing these videos. Let's start with the most important move. For every important piece of content, publish a machine-readable JSON endpoint. That could be something like a claim.json or post.json. Why does that matter? Because now you're not forcing AI systems to guess what the page is. You're handing them a structured version with a stable ID, a source URL, a title, a summary, and a publish date. That makes grounding for them easier. Then on the page itself, your visible headline should clearly match the claim in the JSON. So this JSON is schema, by the way. It's a huge mistake that people make. Their page headline says one thing and their metadata says something else, and then the body wanders off into three different ideas. That creates ambiguity, and ambiguity kills citations. So making the page obvious: one strong headline, one clear claim, one source of truth. Next, PDFs. A lot of people overlook PDFs. I personally don't like them, but they are still very strong supporting an asset because they tend to be durable, portable, and consistently indexed. So if you have an important article, a report, or a research page, create a clean PDF mirror of it and don't just export it and forget it. Add a strong XMP metadata, title, author, publish date, description, and canonical URL, and then you can host it at a predictable URL and link it from a main page. You can put all that stuff inside of a PDF. And why? Because you have another stable version of the same content that points back to the source. Now let's talk multimedia. If you publish video or podcast content and you want AI systems to ground answers to it, don't stop at the embed. You need a transcript, ideally a .vtt or a .srt file as a stable URL. Then add a video object, audio object schema with the name, description, duration, content URL, embed URL, update date, and transcript if appropriate. This is one of the easiest wins right now because without a transcript, you're asking the model to infer meaning from the media. With a transcript, you're actually giving it the text to retrieve and compare it and quote. Now, if you publish research, studies, original data, this matters even more. Those pages should have a dataset level structure. That means a simple dataset JSON file, versioning, distribution links, a CSV, and daily checksums and source references if you have them. Why? Because AI systems trust content more when it's easy to verify and easier to tie to a stable source. So if I had to simplify this whole thing into one sentence, it would be this: LLMs don't prefer one file type. They prefer consistency across formats: clean HTML, matching JSON schema, durable PDFs, transcript back media, stable URLs, clean metadata. And that's how you make content citation ready. And before you publish it, just run a quick, fast QA check. Does the on-page claim match exactly the JSON or your schema claim? Can the JSON/schema be fetched cleanly? Does the PDF work point back to the canonical URL? Basically points back to the link. If it's a video, do the transcripts and schema resolve or do they match? If these pieces line up, you're giving AI systems a much better shot at grounding answers in your content instead of guessing. That's the real takeaway here. Thank you.